Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to download music from YouTube. So normally in the YouTube app, you just can watch videos and you cannot download music. But what you can do is you can download music from the YouTube Studio app. So we'll close this, go to our web browser. I'm going to choose Chrome for this example and type in studio.youtube.com. And here is the YouTube Studio platform. If you pinch in and go to the left side, in the bottom, you'll see this music icon. We'll tap on that. What you will find then is a list of copyright-free music. You can listen by tapping play. For instance, let's select this one. And if we want it to download it, we'll scroll to the right. And there is this download button on the right side. We tap on download. So currently, YouTube is downloading the file. Now that it has downloaded, we can open and listen to the music. So this is how we download music from YouTube. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.